What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Advika and I'm so glad that you clicked on this video because it is one of the most requested videos on this channel. Some of you might already know this, but I just finished college and I am back home now. But from the last few days, I have been thinking about something. If I could go back and talk to my 18-year-old self again on her very first day of college, what would I tell her? In this video, I'm going to be sharing things that I wish someone told me before I spent 5 years figuring them out myself. So if you're about to start college or you're someone in the middle of it, keep watching for some brutally honest advice I'd give to you. और मैंने लिखा हुआ है इसको, so you know it's serious. Okay, first of all, think about this. You are given an opportunity which is so rare that people pray for, that they beg for कि उनको एक बार ये मिल जाए, which is the chance to start over. One of the best things about college is that nobody knows who you are. In school, people already know you for years and they already have a version of who you are in their head. Even in your neighborhood or in your family, जो भी लोग तुम्हें surround करते हैं, they have an image of you or they have expectations from you because they have spent years with you and they know who you are. But in college, no one knows who you are, no one knows what habits you have, what things you preach, what things you believe in, what things you not. So use this chance as a blank slate and you can write anything now. You can become more social, you can become more confident, you can be more outgoing. I know this person and when we were in school, she used to be very shy. ठीक है, she did not used to talk a lot. उसके कुछ ही friends थे वो उनके साथ ही रहती थी. But then I met someone जो उसी के college में जाता है and we were chatting and I was like, oh तुम्हें पता है ये लड़की मेरे school में थी तुम्हारे college में है, how is she? And the way they described her is not the way I would describe her. I mean, for a second, I swear, I was like, are we talking about the same person? Because according to her, she was the most outgoing person, the most spontaneous person. So use college life as an opportunity to reinvent yourself. Number 2, ये point actually number 1 कर दो क्योंकि ये मुझे जानने की बहुत ज़रूरत थी. Don't go into college with expectations, go with curiosity. I had so many expectations from college और वो expectations आई कहाँ से थी? So it was basically Bollywood movies and Hollywood movies जिसने मुझे इतना brain wash कर दिया था into believing what my college life would be like, who I would be friends with, how many trips we would have, and 99.9% of those expectations were wrong. But if I had been more curious rather than someone who went with more expectations, I think I would have been much happier. Join the clubs जो तुम्हें पता ही नहीं किस बारे में है. Attend the events even if your friends are not attending them and you have to go there alone. Sit and talk to people who you wouldn't have talked to if you were in school. Take a hobby that has nothing to do with your degree. One thing that changed my college life was the curiosity to try content creation. When I came into college, मुझे तो सबने यही बोला था कि medical college में पढ़ाई के सिवा कुछ भी करना is next to impossible. And I always wanted to do content creation. If I had not been curious enough to still give it a try and still start content creation, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be the same person. I wouldn't have 90% of those opportunities जो मुझे मिली है in college life. So be curious and try everything that is good for you. अगर तुम्हें इस वीडियो से कुछ भी नहीं सीखना है, it's okay, but take this one lesson. You will get so many chances to find who you are. Take all those chances. I am not a sports person. I am not creative. I am not a leader. College is the time that you can use to challenge those assumptions that you have about yourself. After these 5 years, one thing that I know more about is myself. What I like now, what I don't like now. किसके साथ मुझे रहना पसंद है, किस टाइप के इंसान के साथ नहीं पसंद है. And all those things came from trying as many things as I could. From taking all those crazy opportunities जो कि stupid sound कर रही थी. Number 3, अब ये आपने बहुत सुना होगा, but I still have to tell it to you guys because it is really that important. Not everyone you talk to in college is your friend. That's right. Take that with some water, please. This would have saved me so much disappointment. You know, college creates such a false sense of closeness. You live in the same hostel, you go to college together, you attend the same classes, you eat together, you sleep together. But proximity is not friendship. And also not every friendship has to provide you the same value. अगर तुम किसी से बात कर रहे हो and उसके साथ तुम्हें बात करके ऐसा लग रहा है यार वाओ यार ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम समझता है, मेरी दुख समझ रहा है, और एक इंसान से तुम बात कर रहे हो जो तुम्हें इंस्पायर कर रहा है, जो तुम्हें ऐसा फील करा रहा है कि you are small and there is so much to look forward to. Both of them can be your friends. The next thing you need to know about friendship is that it will define your college life. It really will. The people who you surround with are going to change who you turn out to be after college is over. If you surround yourself with people who don't do much, they just stay in their rooms, they just talk about the drama and everything that's going on, or are going in the wrong direction, you will eventually end up like that, believe it or not. And if you're with someone who is very ambitious, who challenges you to also have big dreams, who makes you work harder, that friend circle and this friend circle will lead you acting, thinking, doing things differently. Actually संगति का बहुत 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 ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. A brutally honest advice जो तुम सुन लो अभी, please save this or just know this, write this down somewhere. It is okay to change your friend circle. It is okay if you feel कि अभी तुम जहाँ हो it is toxic for you, it is not helping you, it is draining you out in some sort of way. It is okay to cut ties from them and have a different friend circle. It's not going to be easy, but the point is not to have things easier. It is to have things better. Farewell पे तुम उनसे बात करोगे, हो सकता है बात ना भी करो, but who cares? Who cares? This is your life, and college is the time where everyone is being selfish. So why can't you? Okay, enough about friendship. मेरा गला सूख गया इतनी friendship की बातें कर करके. Let's move on. क्या मुझे हिचकी आने वाली है? This would be such a wrong timing. No, please. I'll be back once my hitchkey stops. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? Because I missed you. Okay, next is a mistake that I see a lot of people making. Don't make college your entire personality. I said what I said, especially medical students. Everything becomes college, everything becomes exams, everything becomes academics, and suddenly one bad grade ruins your entire week. Have life outside of college. Read, create content, build something, play sports, learn new skills. Having an identity outside your college degree protects your mental health more than you realize. Honestly, the more busier you keep yourself, the less time you would have to engage in that college drama or in those gossips, or let that gossip affect you, because you would be so much happier and busier doing something else. And being busy is a privilege, okay? Having pressure is a privilege, and you will realize it at some point of time. Have a life out of studying and going to college, coming back from college, studying for that college exam. उस सब से बाहर keep something which is yours. Have an identity of your own which does not revolve being a student. Okay, the next advice might be very controversial, especially coming from me. Don't date in your first year of college. Bruh. Unless you're genuinely serious. A lot of people enter relationships because they're lonely, they're feeling homesick, you know, they want comfort, and they see everyone around them getting into a relationship. First year of college should be about exploring yourself, yes, but also the first year of college is when you make the most friendships. And if you start dating someone in the first year of college, where's the time of making those friendships? Because you will be busy with only that one person, and time goes on, friend circles are already made, and you just feel a little out of place. Unless that person is worth that effort, is worth that seriousness, and is worth cutting those friends जो कि I don't know in the end कौन better होता, that person or your friends, but you need to know if you are not serious, it's not worth it. Okay, the next one is something that I think is a little medical college specific. Don't compare your study progress to anyone else. You will see people जो पढ़ ही नहीं रहे हैं, like genuinely I have met people जो मुझे ऐसा लगता था पढ़ते ही नहीं है, because they're always having fun, they're always out and about, and I was like, when are they studying? But those people ended up scoring more than me. And then there are also people who studied way more than me, जो पूरे टाइम लाइब्रेरी में रहते हैं, जो तुम्हें दिखेगा कि भाई कितना पढ़ेगा, like उनको देखकर तुम्हें कॉम्प्लेक्स फील होता है, but they end up either getting the same marks or a little less. And that is when you realize that life is not fair. I'm not saying that people who tell you they're not studying are actually studying तुम्हारे पीठ पीछे. There are genuinely some people जो कम पढ़ के भी उनको हर चीज याद रहती है, and they are just able to pull it or write it in a better way in exam. And then there are people जो actually तुमसे ज़्यादा पढ़ते हैं. They don't either remember it or they're not able to express it in a way जो कि examiner को देखना है. And you need to study according to your potential. तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें कितना याद रहेगा कितना नहीं. So focus on how you study and study according to that. ऐसे पढ़ा करो, देखो ही मत कि साइड में कौन क्या कर. And by the way, bonus tip, there is a way to write answers. Try to learn that way from someone who does score well. Talk to them and ask them कि यार ये क्वेश्चन का तूने आंसर कैसे किया. For example, when I went to college ना, मुझे अभी तक याद है हमारे फर्स्ट पेपर की हमें आंसर शीट्स मिली थी, एंड आई लिटरली सॉ मेरी आंसर शीट एंड मेरी एक और दोस्त की आंसर शीट जिसके मुझसे ज्यादा मार्क्स आए थे. ऑफ कोर्स मेरे अंदर का जो कंपटीशन वाला कीड़ा है वो जागा, एंड आई वाज लाइक लेट मी सी इसके मुझसे ज्यादा क्यों आया है. आई एम नॉट द टाइप ऑफ पर्सन जिसके किसी के ज्यादा आएंगे तो मैं जाके बोलूंगी मैम इसने ये लिखा है, वैसे नहीं, बट जस्ट सो दैट आई कैन ऑल्सो लर्न. आई चेक द शीट एंड वन थिंग दैट आई नोटिस्ड इज कि उसके आंसर शीट्स में मुझसे कम लिखा हुआ था. दैट इज राइट. यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि ज्यादा शीट्स भर के तुम्हें ज्यादा मार्क्स आएंगे, बट एटलीस्ट उसके आंसर शीट से इट वाज लाइक वेरी एविडेंट कि ज्यादा लिखने से तो ज्यादा मार्क्स नहीं मिले हैं, बल्कि उसने मुझसे कम लिखा था, बट द रिप्रेजेंटेशन वाज इन अ फ्लो चार्ट वे. एंड वो देख के आई रियलाइज फ्लो चार्ट्स, डायग्राम्स, एटलीस्ट इन मेडिकल कॉलेज उससे फर्क पड़ता है. बट इफ आई हैड नॉट लर्नड इट दैट डे, I don't know if I would have used flowcharts as much as I did in my answer sheets the forward years and in the forward exams. So if you want to score well, there is a way, and you can only learn it if you are willing to learn it. So go to a topper or like just ask them कि उन्होंने कैसे करा था, क्या लिखा था, उन्होंने किन headings के अंदर लिखा था, किस way में लिखा था, पहले क्या लिखा था, बाद में क्या लिखा था. All this really affects some way. So if you are trying to get better grades or if you're trying to score higher, then this is just a small advice. The next advice is that grades matter. Yeah, they do. But connections, they matter a little more. Now, this might be controversial again, but of course grades matter. At least pass hona to please. Like, this is an education degree that is going to change your future. So feel responsible towards it at least. School mein, yeah, everyone is like studying for grades. Tum अच्छे marks लाओगे, अच्छा percentage आएगा, अच्छा college मिलेगा. We all know that. But in college, one thing that comes in additional, which again I wish I knew पहले, but this whole video is about that. But it is that connections matter so much. तुम्हारे friends, तुम्हारे बाकी के students, professors, people जो तुम्हें इवेंट्स में मिल रहे हैं या तुम्हें रैंडमली कहीं पे भी मिल रहे हैं, टॉक टू देम एंड मेक जेन्युइन कनेक्शंस विद देम एंड जस्ट नो कि सम डे और द अदर दोस पीपल विल कम इन हैंडी. लाइक डोंट टॉक टू देम ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज तुम्हें उनसे वैल्यू चाहिए या स्टफ. इट इज एन आर्ट एंड आई स्ट्रगल विद इट माई सेल्फ बट आई रियली वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड ऑन दैट आर्ट इज वेल. द नेक्स्ट एडवाइस जो कि अगेन शायद आपने सुना हो इज say yes more often. Yes, in college आप yes बोलना सीखिए, आप yes ज़्यादा बोलिए. अगर कोई आपको बोल रहा है कि will you go to farewell, say yes. अगर आपको कोई बोल रहा है will you attend this event with me, say yes. अगर आपको कोई बोल रहा है कि यार मैं इस competition में पार्ट ले रहा हूँ, तू मेरा साथ देगी, तू मेरी हेल्प करेगी, say yes. Say yes more often, but again learn to say no. Okay, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? ये मैंने खुद को डिलेमा में डाल दिया because saying no is equally as important as saying yes. It is actually. There will be so many situations जहाँ तुम्हें पता है अंदर से like there's a gut feeling which is telling you to say no, but because of peer pressure or everything, which by the way gets very real in college, you might end up saying yes. Just know that your values and your gut instinct is always right and say no wherever you have to say. अगर उसकी वजह से तुम्हारी friendships टूट रही है, टूटने दो. अगर उसकी वजह से तुम्हारा लोगों पे trust टूट रहा है, टूटने दो. But say no to those situations that you know I'm talking about. अगर नहीं पता है तो मैं बता देती हूँ. I'm talking about substance abuse, drinking, smoking, drugs, ragging करना and all those situations जो तुम्हें पता है अंदर से कि is wrong, is not going to be fruitful in any sort of way. But because of curiosity or peer pressure or something, तुम्हें लग रहा है let's give it a try. There are better things that you can give try to. So go ahead and उन पे try कीजिए आप. And my last advice for this video is document everything. Take photos, take videos, make voice notes, sing, write, make journals, because one day you'll graduate and you will go through that camera roll and it will make you feel a lot of things जो तुम भूल भी चुके थे by the way. So it is just something I'm so proud that I did. I just love कि मेरा college का first year से लेकर college का बिल्कुल last day इस channel पे है and we all went through it together and I can't wait for my future kids to watch my videos. अब पता नहीं मुझे शायद cringe बोलेगे या YouTube पे भी there's an option to keep things private. So अगर storage issue है YouTube पे just post कर दो यार. There are so many videos that I have posted on private. Those memories जो तुम जब जी रहे हो, you know you're gonna remember them. You know कि एक दिन आएगा and you will be looking back at these memories and you will remember them. And that is it guys. That is it for all the advices that I want to give. For now, that's all that came in my head. That's all that I could write down. I think there is some advice that you would like to give to someone who's just entering. Help the dream catchers in the comments and we all love you already. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you watched till here, then comment pen so that I know that you're a real one. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep dreaming, keep smiling and keep achieving. I'm so proud of you. Let's go. Bye.